रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। बोलो जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण। International Siddhashram Shakti Center is completing 25 years of establishment, and Gurudev Raj Rajeshwarji is the founder of International Siddhashram Shakti Center. Swamiji, I appreciate your efforts. You came all the way from Gujarat, you stayed here, you took this culture in your hand and started moving towards this country. And I saw for last 8 to 10 days all your followers who gave us so much love. They feed us tasty food, they served us everything, whatever the saints were expecting, because saints were some saints came first time. But Siddhashram team, Siddhashram people felt them like their own family. And thank you very much, Gurudev, for your samskaras, for your team, the children of your team, and highly appreciate your efforts for preserving Sanatana culture. Secondly, the people over here, especially our Gujaratis, Sanatanis, and the way they are worried about their next generation. I think the Indian society or Indian culture is very much progressing in this country. And I also need to highlight that British means United Kingdom as well as Hindustan or India, they both respect diversity. Whoever comes to this country, they accept this culture and they live here peacefully. They try to get engaged with all the people over here, take their own things together and give to society back the way they could. And I think Gurudev Raj Rajeshwarji, every year in this hall, he does Navaratri, and thousands of people gather together. They do Navaratri over here. They preserve their own culture, and that's what saints has to do. And Raj Rajeshwarji is doing that in nice way. I appreciate your efforts, Swamiji. Secondly, he also knows that if we bring saints over here, how people will love, how he will appreciate the future of our next generation. And that is the way Network 10, he took Sanjay Giriji with him, and Network 10, you will be not knowing what the number 10 needs to tell you. Number 10 means network of Sanatana all round the world and all sides of the world. We need to promote the ideas and thoughts of Sanatana culture, and that's what Network 10 is doing. And I feel very proud that you will be amazed. All these saints are not simple ones or ordinary ones. They have their huge followers. They preserve their own culture. They have their own research on individual things, and that's the way Network 10 brought all these saints in London, and they were appreciating the thoughts of British people also and Indian people's thought also. I think this is the way we Indians and Britishers should come together and maintain this culture. And also I want to highlight that Guruji is completing 25 years, means silver jubilee. I will request Swamiji, for next 25 years, we will be celebrating more than this celebration, and you all will be amazed that Gurudev will be celebrating the 50 years of completion, and we all will be witnessing that. And secondly, Network 10, they have, see, World Peace Organization logo has been launched on this platform, and motto is together for a peaceful world. You know, world is facing lot of misunderstandings, lot of things are not going with the humanitarian ground, and this is the way Network 10 channel gives the message that yes, if we come together, our home will be peaceful, our village will be peaceful, our state will be peaceful, our country will be peaceful, and at last whole world will be in peace. Only when we come together, and unity will easily gather the peace what we expect. Santa Sansad means the Parliament of Saints. I think this logo tells it all. I appreciate the efforts taken by all the saints for last so many days